Hey everyone! Today I'm gonna show you how to fix Microsoft Store won't download apps. Step 1. The WS Reset Quick Fix. The most common reason is a corrupted store cache. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the run box. Type wsreset.x and hit enter. A blank black window will appear. It's clearing the store's temporary files in the background. After about 10 seconds, it will disappear and the Microsoft Store will relaunch automatically. Try your download once again. Step 2. Sync your date and time. It sounds simple, but if your PC's clock is even a few seconds off from Microsoft servers, the security handshake will fail and block your downloads. Right-click the time in your taskbar and select Adjust Date and Time. Ensure Set Time Automatically is toggled on. Scroll down and click the Sync Now button. This forces your PC to align with the global server time. Step 3. Repair and reset the app. If the store itself is glitching, Windows has a built-in tool for it. Go to Settings, then Apps, then Installed Apps. Search for Microsoft Store. Click the three dots and choose Advanced Options. First, click Repair. This fixes the app without deleting your data. If that doesn't work, click Reset. This gives the store a fresh factory start, though you may need to sign in again. Step 4. Restart the install service. Sometimes the system that actually handles the download gets stuck in the background. First, search your Start menu for Services and run it as administrator. Scroll down until you find Microsoft Store Install Service. Right-click it and select Restart. If it was stopped, select Start. Step 5. Use PowerShell for a deep refresh. If nothing else works, we can re-register the store using a system command. Right-click the Start button and select Terminal Admin or PowerShell Admin. Paste this command and hit Enter. This effectively reinstalls the store components without touching your other files. Then you can restart your PC afterward. One of these steps should have fixed the problem. I hope this helped you out and I'll see you in the next one.